Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to show you this 2012 Ford F550 we have for sale. It's a four-wheel drive, 6.7 Power Stroke diesel. It's only got 178,000 miles on it. This truck's out of California, so it has no rust. It's a one-owner truck. It belonged to Herc Rentals. I've had a ton of these trucks, this same setup. I've probably sold as many of them as Ford has. I hadn't had one in a long time though, but there for a while, man, we had about 10 of them coming and going on hand all the time. But it's been a minute since we've had one, and this is a really nice one. It's got the MyTM air compressor, welder combo, 3,200 pound stellar crane. It's got all the lube set up. Nice set of C-Tech drawers on this side. Good tires all the way around, vise on the back. And like I said, a California truck. I love buying the trucks out in California. They're always nice. They take care of them. They keep good tires on them. They keep them serviced. As much as I dislike California, I like their trucks. So let's walk around and look at it. No offense to people in California, just your state laws and stuff suck. And your leaders are awful. Come back to the cab. Walk around the truck. Bolt bends. Rear work bumper, your tanks for your lube stuff, oil, waste oil. Comes with welding leads. Books. Hydraulic oil, motor oil, grease gun, waste oil, regular air hose. Place to put your oxygen and acetylene tanks. AC blows cold. It's crane. Up. Down, winch down, cinching out, cinching in, side to side. I'd say that's a newer remote. There's no way that's the remote that comes with this truck. Looks pretty new. Place to put jumper cables, jump something off. Start the compressor. Obviously got air. All right, if you're interested in this truck, give me a call, 256-310-6852. Website's heavymetalauto.com. You can go on there and check out pictures of it. If you're looking out of state and you want to have this truck shipped, I can ship it straight to your door. You're going to be looking around $2 a mile. We're dispatchers, so what we'll do is post this on our dispatch board, and we wait for somebody to call and pick it up. Could be immediately, and it could be 2 or 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. Normally 3 to 7 days you can have the truck. If you're out in the middle of nowhere somewhere, it's probably going to take a little longer. But that's normally when you can have the truck, 3 to 7 days. We're just a middleman on that deal. We're just doing it as a favor to you. If you go online and post it, you're probably going to pay $300, $400, $500 more than what we can get it done for. I just do it as a favor to my customers. I'm not making no money on it. Like I said, I just do it to help my customers get the trucks. If you decide you want to come pick it up in person, you're welcome to. We're here Monday through Friday, 7 to 4. We're not open on the weekends. And if you come, you got to bring a cashier's check, do a wire transfer, or bring cash. We can't take a check on your name or your business name. It has to be a certified bank check. Another thing that I've got to start adding to my videos because it's causing problems is there's only 2 ways to hold this truck. If you want to hold it, tell me you're going to the bank to wire the money, or within 3 days, tell me what day you're going to be here to buy it. I have people that will call and say they want to buy the truck and they're under the impression that I'm going to hold it. We don't hold them. The only way I'm going to hold it is if you say, all right, I'm going to the bank here in just an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. I'll wire you the money, or we're booking a flight. We'll be there tomorrow. We'll be there Wednesday. We'll get it picked up. That's the only ways. I don't care if you buy it on eBay and send a deposit. I will send you your deposit back. We're not going to hold them for more than 3 days. The only way to secure this truck is to pay for it. I've missed several deals lately messing around with people, and they're, for whatever reason, they didn't buy the truck, and I can't let that happen anymore. So I'm not trying to be rude or crude or whatever, but that's the only way to secure the truck is to pay for it. I guess that's about it. Trying to think if I had anything else to say on that subject. I don't think I did, but like I said, I've had 3 or 4 deals blow up lately because of that reason. And I understand also if you got to finance. If you got to do that, we'll work something else out. As long as I talk to your finance company and they're telling me we're good, then we'll work that out. But you know, if you're a cash buyer and you want to secure it, you want the truck, that's the way to do it. So anyways, all that's out of the way. This is a super nice truck, 2012 550 4-wheel drive, 6.7 diesel, only 178K on it. California truck, welder, crane, compressor, lube, skid, toolbox is set up. It's got all the LED lights on the outside. Just a really nice truck. This truck probably won't last too long, so do not wait. She'll probably go quick. Thanks for watching.